Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of grade 2. Today we are going to read about subtraction converting from page number 44. Complete these sums converting where necessary. The first question is 48 minus 19. Here is 8 is the smaller number and the 9 is the bigger. You know, we always start our question from one side, so the 8 ones and 9 ones. We can't subtract 8 ones from 9 ones, so we take borrow from tens. Here are 4 tens, we take 1 10, borrow. Now this number is 18. 18 minus 9 is equal to 9. Now here are 3 tens. Now we subtract 3 tens from 1 10. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. The next one is 83 minus 27. Here is also 3 ones and 7 ones. The smaller number is up, so we can't subtract these. We take borrow from 10. We take 1 10 borrow. Now the number is 13 and here is 7 tens left. 13 minus 7 is equal to 6 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. The next one is students complete these questions at the same way. Now use subtraction to answer these. Here are some words problems. We solve these. Gabriel had 32 toys. He gave away 17 to an orphanage. How many are left? I already told you about the meaning of left. Left mean the left show in this statements that this question is the subtraction question. When there is altogether, it means we add these, and when here is left show the symbol of subtraction. Here are 32 toys and he gave away 17. How many left? 32 minus 17. Here is 2 ones and 7 ones. We can't subtract 2 from 7, so we take borrow from 10. Here we take 1 10. Now it is 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5 and here is 2 10 left. Now 2 minus 1 is equal to 15. Students complete these questions in the same way. The next page, subtraction of 3-digit number, no conversion. Help Tiger do her sums. These sums are easy, but remember, subtract ones first, tens next, and then 100 lost. We always start our questions from from one side. First we subtract ones, then tens, and then 100. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2, and here is the no 100 other number. Now 9 is come here. The next one is 776 minus 34. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and here is no number, so 7 comes below at the same way. So students complete this page. These questions are so easy, but remember this, we always start our questions from one side, then we go on 10 and then 100. On the next page, subtraction converting tens. Now help Tiger change ones to complete these sums. I need more ones. I change 110 into 10 ones. Now I can subtract. You can see here 244 minus 127. Here is 4 ones and 7 ones. So we can't minus the 4 from 7. We need a 10 from here. We take 110 and now the number is 14. Now 7 minus 4 is equal to 7, sorry, 14 minus 7 is equal to 7, and 3 minus is equal to 2 is 1, and 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Here are some questions. 363 minus 28. We always start our question from one side. 3 minus 8. 3 is smaller, so it can't minus from 8. We take borrow from 10. We take 110. Now the number is 13. 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. 5 minus 2, 3, and 3 is here. The next number is 282 minus 54. We start from one side. 2 minus 4. 2 is smaller, so it can't minus from 4. We need to take borrow from 10. When we take 110, it's become 12. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. Here are 7 tens remaining. 7 minus 5, 2, and 2, here is no other hundred, so we write here 2. So students, complete these pages in the same way. Try to practice it on your rough notebook, and I gave you reminder again. Please revise tables on daily basis 2 to 8.